Africa test. Write your name and date and class period. Question number 1. What is the largest lake in Africa? Is it A, Lake Victoria, B, Lake Tanganyika, C, Lake Chad, or D, Lake Malawi? Question number 2. Which of the following was a result of the ancient Egyptians' belief in life after death? Is it A, Egyptians developed a way of writing using pictures? B, the pharaohs had vast tombs built for themselves? C, the ancient Egyptians created one of the world's earliest libraries? Or D, people settled along the banks of the Nile River to farm and grow food? Question number 3. All of the reasons for building the Aswan Dam below are true except A, flood control, B, hydroelectric power, C, irrigation, D, tourism. Question number 4. How often did the Nile River overflow its banks before the Aswan Dam was built? A, every 6 months, B, once a year, C, every 3 months, or D, twice a year? Question number 5. The religion of Islam spread quickly through Asia via conquest and trade after the death of Muhammad. What is the name of the spread of this particular culture called? Is it A, immigration, B, spiritual culture, C, conquest and trade, or D, cultural diffusion? Question number 6. What is Africa's transition zone between desert and rainforest called? A, savanna, the B, the Sahel, C, the Kalahari, or the D, the Sahara? Question number 7. The Aswan Dam was built to control the irrigation of the Nile River. The government made changes to the environment. This is called A, adaptation, B, irrigation, C, modification, or D, agriculture. Question number 8. People in North Africa tend to wear light and loose clothing because of the hot climate. This is referred to as A, modification, B, desertification, C, adaptation, or D, deforestation. Question number 9. What desert covers most of North Africa? A, the Kalahari, the B, the Sahel, the C, the Sahara, or the D, the Savannah? Question number 10. In ancient times, the Nile flooded each year. Today, several dams control the floods. The largest is Aswan High Dam. These dams hold back the high volume of water produced in the rainy season. The water can then be released during the year. From World Cultures and Geography. Based on the excerpt, how can farmers benefit from the dam? A. They can get water for crops year-round. B. They can grow a greater variety of crops. C. They can set up farmers' markets in the rainy season. Or D. They can expand the size of their farms. Question number 11. What African landform has rolling grassland and few scattered trees? Is it A, the rainforest, the B, the savanna, the C, the Sahel, or the D, desert? Question number 12. Where do most of Egypt's people live? A, in the Atlas Mountains, B, along the Sahara Desert, C, along the coast, or D, in the Nile River Valley? Question number 13. Which of the following best defines a delta? A, wetlands that are near the water's edge. B, rivers that end in an ocean or lake which deposits sediment. C, deltas are only formed by waves. Or D, all deltas are triangular in shape. Question number 14. Which sentence best explains the reason ancient Egyptians created a calendar? Is it A, they discovered that the Nile flooded for 6 months every year? B, in order to know when to plant, they needed to track days? C, it contained a year of 365 days with 12 months of 30 days each? Or D, among the first things written on papyrus were the calendars that tracked time? Question number 15. Which statement best explains why deserts were beneficial to Egyptians? A, many travelers ventured to Egypt through the desert. B, the sand in the Sahara is between 800 and 1,200 miles wide. C, there is sand as far as the eye can see outside of the narrow strip of green plants next to the river. Or D, few invaders ever crossed the desert to attack Egypt. Question number 16. Why is the Suez Canal important today? A, both France and Great Britain still want to control it. B, it is ancient part of Egyptian history. C, the Suez Canal remains a vital economic and strategic link between the Mediterranean, Asia, and the Middle East. Or D, it is not important today. Question number 17. Why was a canal important for imperialists? Is it A, for shipping and access to the colonies? B, it was a small investment. C, it wasn't important for imperialists. Or D, the French and British were very good at canal building. Question number 18. When was the Suez Canal officially opened? A, 1868. B, 1966, C, 1865, or D, 1869. Question number 19. Which climate zones do animals such as lions, gazelles and zebras live? A, the Sahara Desert. B, tropical rainforest. C, the Sahel. Or D, the savanna? Question number 20. What is a negative effect of dams on deltas? A, the water flow increases the size of the delta. B, more silt is deposited at the delta. C, rivers overflow less and more fertilizers are used. Or D, there is more drinking water. Once you have completed your test, double check your answers. Take your time. Good luck.